Yo, y'all, just a quick clip. 2:30 in the afternoon on Wednesday. Luckily, when we pulled the trailer out into the street this morning to pack it up some more, we found the two tires on the driver's side were shot. One of them, the rear one, the tread was coming off the carcass. So, Sherry being the happy birthday, by the way, Shay. It's her birthday today. Being the one with this common sense, she says, just take all four of them off, Robert, and go get 4 new tires, so we won't have any issue. So that's it. When we get back, I'm going to put the rubber, the white rubber roofing stuff. Going to roll the roofing to protect because it's starting to rust. Underneath, we've already done the underneath once, grinding and repainting. We used that POR stuff. It's still really, believe it or not, for living in Michigan with the salt and snow and stuff, it's in pretty good shape. So we're going to keep working on it. I think that's a 1995 or 96 trailer. It's been up and down the highway a bunch. So, yeah, we're going to keep working on her, but we're trying to get her going so we can get to the racetrack this weekend and bring you some more movies. So hang in there. Have a safe trip up, folks. God bless y'all.